Your favorite Captain Ball. $1,300-meter race is on the way. Henry Hill draws for your lead. Benissimo moving up by the rail to grab the lead. Captain Ball racing in third, then moving up in between runners. Mr. Universe. Charismatic comes next, then followed by Whistler. Next in line, Boss Chris Mucho Oro, Golden Class, and Yakal is running second last, while Mighty Zeus is far behind. Heading towards the 600 meters pole. This one, Benissimo, highballing in front by Abaralang Kerehap. Captain Ball trying to get closer in second. So as Whistler on the outside. Then by the rail, Charismatic. We have Benissimo just in front. Captain Ball moving up by the rail to grab the lead. Now we have Captain Ball takes the lead. Charismatic is by the rail. Benissimo. Whistler is on the outside. Captain Ball by about 3 lengths. Benissimo, Whistler moving up to take second with 75 meters to race. Fernando Marceliano Raquel Jr. on Captain Ball. Whistler, Benissimo. Then comes Charismatic, 1A Yakal, Golden Class for your Pentapecta.